See if we can do a standstill. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, I just picked myself up a nice medium double from Tim Hortons, and we're just gonna go back home now and go for a quick drive, talk a little bit, rev the car and whatnot, you know, all the good old things. So yeah, let's go do that right now. Before we get into that though, I do have to drink some of my coffee, just to if all the car guys know that you can't floor the car with the you know, with coffee filled up. It's gonna spill everywhere. Oh, is it a pull time here? Might be a pull time. All right. That was a nice little pull right there. Not gonna lie, this fucking car for a 2.0 naturally aspirated, it's got 147 horsepower, 24 or 34 pound-foot of torque. This thing flies for, you know, a nice little economy car. Now I know that the sport version of this car is just fucking retarded. It just speeds up and goes really fast. But this car in general, this is not bad. Like I don't give it, you know, I'll give it a nice solid 8 out of 10 for the performance of the engine for what it has. So, of a VTEC, it's nice to have. So, not all cars do have it, but when it, you know, when you do have it on that car, it sounds really nice. Enjoy it. Oh yeah, it's good. A nice little vape pull, might as well. I do have to get gas soon, but I do not feel like getting it right now, to be honest, or today, just because it's the weekend and I just want to relax. And I definitely don't want to go outside with this camera setup, man. Fuck all that. I'm not used to it right now, and it's gonna take me some time to go outside in public with this camera setup. Look how dumb I look with this thing. Massive fucking phone on my head, rather than having a GoPro or something. Oh, here we go with the railroads again. Oh, these things. See what it sounds like in third gear. Sounds really good actually, holy crap. I don't know what it is about me and just like cars that have like nice induction noise. Oh, it's just eargasm, bro. The induction noise, like that intake growling noise, is just something else. You just don't ever get, you know, tired of hearing that. Every day when I'm going to work, when I'm going anywhere I'm going to, I gotta hear that at least a few times. You gotta, like, you just can't. And now we're gonna go here. This is the canal right here. What we're gonna do is go with a window open. It's really precise too, like so nice. Everything's empty today. It's the weekend, there's no one on the roads, and this is exactly what you need, like 100%. See if we can do a standstill. Yeah. '85 around these corners, no problem. No problem at all. Alright, we're gonna chill out now a little bit. We've been going a little hard with this car now. There we go. And when you want the car to be quiet, it's quiet. You put her in eco mode, you don't hear anything from the car. That's the beauty of intakes, guys. That's the reason why I like them. Exhaust, your car is loud 24/7, and especially when you want to turn it on in the mornings at like 4 or 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Yeah, your neighbors are gonna hate you. They want to kill you after that. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much the video. I'm almost getting to my house. I mean, like, making these videos is just nice, man. Like, it shows you guys my day, where I'm going to, the area that I live in. It's in Canada. I show you my car, talk to you guys a little bit. It's not really a special channel that, you know, like, you know, it's demanded on cars, this and that, like specific cars only. No. This channel is all about talking, having fun, growing the family out, and just having fun with you guys, you know, like, nothing too big, too crazy. We're just chilling here, all of us, like family, and, you know, just like Dominic Toretto in Fast and Furious, we're all family. There's always room for more family. So we're here, guys. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We'll do one more pull here for you guys. There you go. And that is for you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video. For now, stay safe.